Question today involving some pictures. Joining us to hopefully have the answer are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
All right, let's get to this one. This is from Sandy in Towanda. Sandy wants to know, my old boyfriend is sending old pictures of me that were only meant for him to our mutual friends. We've been broken up for about 6 months. It was a bad breakup. We don't talk at this point. What can I do? Does Sandy have any legal recourse here?
Sandy in Towanda, this is a bad situation. You do have legal resource here. There's actually some legal precedent that this particular individual cannot be disseminating this information without you approving of it. I'll let Greg talk a little bit more about the specifics of it, but it's against the law. And you do have legal recourse. I mean, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you notify this particular individual, this old boyfriend, that if he doesn't stop doing this, then you are going to exercise your legal rights, to the fullest, which can, potentially mean some criminal penalties for this guy.
Right.
It's serious. I mean, they take it very serious.
What happened is the legislatures have listened and they put some law together, and the governor actually signed it about in the middle of the summer, so it just got into effect at a 60-day waiting period. But what it basically says is, if you're in an intimate relationship with somebody and you share this information and you break up, or that person just decides to use it without your consent with the intent to harass, annoy, or alarm, that's against the law. So the legislatures have looked at it. They've basically made it either a misdemeanor 1 if it involves a minor, or a misdemeanor 2 which if it's an adult. So I mean, it's not a felony, but it's a very serious, it can affect your life to be charged with a misdemeanor. So it's actually, it's a very 2014 type crime that's going on right now. So the legislatures listen, and you see it across the the United States. This stuff's starting to pop up. But if people are doing it, and it's interesting, the Attorney General's office has the ability to go across county lines, so they're the ones who I believe could probably handle it the best.
All right, some good advice. Our viewers that may need your help, what's the best way to reach you?
They call us at 570-714-HURT, or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Yeah, I mean, that's, the texting, the internet, I mean, that stuff's written in ink. It's not, it's not written in pencil. So, just be careful what you're putting out there. But, make sure that you're being vigilant. And if this is happening, pick up the phone, call law enforcement, and get them involved immediately so that this stops.
All right, results matter with award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are your best sources to submit a question right here to us.